Let's take a look at this mini heat gun from KAIWEETS. It came well packaged along with the reflector nozzle and a user manual. The user manual has basic usage and safety instructions, along with specifications data. This is the perfect heat gun to have around the house for DIYers like myself. It's portable and feels great in my hand. The deflector nozzle is very easy to attach. Simply push it over the tip of the heat gun. The built-in stand allows you to put the hot gun down onto a surface without burning it. It has two temperature modes that can be selected using the rocker switch at the top. Okay, let's plug this in and see what it can do. Soon after turning it on, it reaches a hot temperature in just a few seconds. It works really well as a soldering or desoldering gun when working on electronic circuits. And applying shrink tubing to wires with this heat gun is very fast and easy. Here I'm heating up this plastic tubing to put a 90-degree bend into it. For such a low price, I highly recommend this heat gun. Thanks for watching.